So this is 19th Street Avenue. Wait, no, 19th Street in Ybor City, Florida, which is also Tampa. Here we have the first signal, which has a Reiko base, a safe train gate mechanism, an older one. Then there is the emergency information. You have the lights, which are safe train 12 by 24-inch incandescent lights, Pinnacle, and Ricoh LED gate lights. That is track view east, and that's west. I'm gonna cross the other side once this car passes. Here we have the other signal, which has another Reiko base. Safe train gate mechanism. The same emergency information. Safe train 12 by 24-inch incandescent lights on a safe train junction box. A NEG electronic bell and NEG gate lights. So this is 19th Avenue. Why do I keep saying 19th Avenue? This is 19th Street in Ybor City, Florida. Also Tampa. Over and out.